Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm making jollof spaghetti for my family, so join me in the kitchen as I prepare this meal. Alright, so in the boiling water you're going to add some vegetable oil, and then you're also going to add some salt, and then you're going to place your pasta in, and then we're gonna let that boil. You want it cooked, but please don't overcook it, okay? Because we are still going to finish cooking it in the tomato sauce. So when you're done, you just cover the pot and let that cook. So after 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, it's cooked as much as I want it to. And then I'm just going to bring it down and drain it. So in a pot, we're going to go in with vegetable oil. You add your onions, and then you saute your onions until it's translucent and it's bringing out these very nice flavors. Then you're going to go in with your minced meat. I'm using minced beef here. So you're just going to break it in, give it a stir, and then you're gonna cover this a little bit to cook until all the red colors is gone. Okay, we don't want the red color in there, we want to make sure it's cooked. So when it's like this, you're sure it's cooked very well, you're now going to go in with your tomato paste or your tomato puree. Jollof spaghetti is something my family really loves. If you leave it to them, they will eat it almost every day. That's how much they love it. Anyway, when you're done putting in your tomato puree, your tomato paste, you're going to give it a stir. Alright, you make sure to mix the combinations properly. After mixing, you're going to go ahead and add your pepper. So I'm using yellow pepper here. I just love that taste it brings to the food. And then you're going to go in with your mixed veggies. I'm using frozen veggies here. If you have fresh ones, just cut them up and put them in. I have green bell pepper, and then putting in my spices. So we also go in with the seasoning cubes. You also add your salt to taste. Okay, and then you're just going to give this a stir to mix it in together. Alright, make sure everything is well incorporated so that we don't have any side of it not having the normal taste. Then we're just going to cover this and let it cook for a while. Okay, and then you're going to go in with your spaghetti. Now we're going to mix it up gently so the sauce coats every strand of the pasta. Alright, this is the best part. When you're done coating that in, you're going to see the beautiful color it's gonna have, just like that. That's a very good color. So you're just going to go in with the pasta water. Okay, and then you also add a little bit water considering on how soft you want it to be. So because the kids are also eating this, I want it as soft as possible but not too soft. So you give that a stir, and then you're gonna cover that with foil to let the steam cook it. Okay, so you just cover it a little bit and let it cook. So while that is cooking, I'm just quickly going to boil some eggs and then fry some plantains to go with it. I mean, what's pasta without eggs and plantain, right? So we're just going to fry up some plantains, and then we're going to go back to our pot of pasta. So coming back to it now, I checked this, it's cooked perfectly the way I want it to cook. So I'm just going to give this a stir. Look at that color. That's the best color for me. It's so nice, it looks so good, and the flavors and the scent that is coming out of this pot of pasta is really wonderful. Okay, thanks so much for joining me today in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious meals. I'll see you next time for another food adventure. Enjoy your jollof spaghetti and happy cooking!